Creating content on the internet sometimes is challenging in creating the content, in doing the videos, in editing the videos. It's time consuming as well. But there is a way. Thank God to AI these days. Things are getting much easier and is accessible to everyone. And it can be free. By the way, this background is fake. My name is Davis-Gooden, and in today's video I'll show you how to create your background just like this one, and you can do it from your mobile phone. It's pretty easy. No need to invest in expensive tools or expensive camera, because right now I'm using my phone. But in using the phone, you want to ensure that it is stable, and therefore I suggest that you use a tripod for that, because sometimes the phone tends to slip over or to topple over, and you don't want that for your video. For a polished look for the video, you need to film the video against a plain background like this one. It is easier. I'll show you at the end. You'll realize that it is easier to do a plain background because you'll have to remove the background to add the new background that we're going to create for the video. Also, you need a good lighting. Ring light is good, as I'm using right now, but nothing beats the natural light. So what you can do the video by your window or by your door in the day, and that works just fine as well. Before we dive into the process, I'm going to ask you to like, share, and subscribe. You know, that's just how YouTube works. If you subscribe, then we'll have lots of videos to come, free things to give away, so you don't want to miss out on that. And then the content is useful as well, and once you like it, then YouTube will share it with others, so they get to partake in this activity as well. Creating a captivating video is easier than you think. Yes, it's free and it's on your mobile phone, and for this, creating the background, we need 3 apps. First up, we have Leonardo AI, and that's the site we're going to use to create the background. It's an AI where you just give it the instruction, you type in the instructions or the caption, whatever you want your background to look like, and it will create just that for you. And next, we're going to use Canva, and Canva is one of the easiest tools to use. Most creators these days are using Canva, and it's very versatile. It has everything that you need, so in case we need to edit that video that Leonardo AI creates for us, if you want to put anything else on it, you can do so. And also in the end, we're going to do the thumbnail for that, so you want to use Canva to create your thumbnail as well. Then we'll turn to CapCut. We're no editing professionals. CapCut is easy to use and it gets the job done, and it's very user friendly, and you'll see. Now we're going to go to Leonardo AI, and you can select the first one, or you can select the login option. And with this, you'd have to create an account. It's taking a little while. Okay, so you select. Google is always easier, especially on your devices. I mean, it's easy to log in and sign in from anywhere. So you can select the Google account that you want to sign in with. And when you do that, create new image. So you select that. And on that page, as you can see, each day you'll get 150 points here per day. You use that up, and you have the area here where you see generate a visually appealing YouTube background. So you put in what you want your background to look like here, and in the description below I can have this same settings in the description below, and for this you'll see that it will use up 8 of your points. Or select that, and it's gonna ask you what's the purpose of your, what do you want to use it for. I select stock images, and then it asks you your name. For, I guess, for the accounts, I'm just going to put my name there. You have to confirm that you're over 18 and click next. There's also a paid version, so you can upgrade your plan there if you want more images, but this is sufficient, I mean, to create images that you want for the day. And for each prompt that you type in, you'll get at least 4 images or 4 settings. And here I get 4. I'm not sure which one I'm going to use yet, or which one is more fitting, so I'm going to download each of them on my phone. I think that's all we need from here, and then we'll go over to Canva now to get the images that we've just downloaded. So now we're going to go into Canva, and I already have my Canva account. So you can, I have the app on my phone as well previously, so I'll select that, but you can just do the same thing with your Gmail account and you'll get access to your Canva account. Canva is so versatile, and there's so many things that you can use or do with Canva. So in Canva, we're going to get the images that we created from Leonardo and create our background. So first, to get the YouTube setting, I'll just type in YouTube thumbnail, those of the thumbnails. Then we want to create, they'll always give you different options, but we're going to create ours from scratch. So you select the blank option, and here you go. So we're going to upload the image that we downloaded. So you go to upload and select, and from there you can make this image your background. So you just select set as background right there, and there you go, you have the background set, and you can make adjustments to it as to how you'd want it to be. And that's it. And just in case you need to add anything, let me just show you how you can do that. You can add elements. If you want to add a plant, you type in potted plant, select search, and I like this little one. I'm going to put on the table, just add it to the table there. That's how you add something to the image, just a little bit big, but okay, I think that's fitting. And there are other things that you can do to it. You can add effects, you can make it blurry, so you add a little blur, or you can add a little glow, and then you can add a little blur. Just make it go ahead in the blur to the whole image and not just that area. You can see, add a little blur there. Take it off just a little. And there you have it. You have your background ready. So with that, you're going to save it, and then you download it. So it's saving the image. So there you go, it's saved to my gallery. Okay, so now we're in CapCut, and CapCut you can download it, or it's already on my phone. So when you open it, you're going to go to new project, an image that we did for the background, which is this one. So I'm going to add that, and then once you do that, then you're going to adjust the length of that to the length of your video. You just go back to the beginning of the image, right? And now we're going to add our video, and in adding the video, you're going to click overlay and add overlay. So you select the video that we previously created, which is this one, then you add the video. So once we add the video, we're going to remove the background, which is here. Then auto removal, you click auto removal, and there you go, it removes the background. So you just make an adjustment to it right there, and there you have it. So your video is now on and over.
Creating content on the internet sometimes is challenging.
There you go.
Videos in editing the videos, it's time consuming.
So this CapCut can do various things, like you can blur the images a bit, so you can add effects to the video. CapCut, you can put text on the video, like adding a text. So I don't want to write like this background is fake. I'll write the word fake. I can change the color to match my blouse there, and then I can just put it to the side. So there are various things that you can do with CapCut, just for example. So now there you have it, the video is ready.
Creating content on the internet sometimes is challenging.
And that's it. Now that you learn how to improve your video quality by adding background, versatile backgrounds that are more attractive, I want to remind you to like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned. You'll get the notification for our next video. And remember, on this channel we talk about money, mindset, and just simply showing you how to navigate the internet with the different tools and creations. And we have lots of giveaways as well. So stay tuned. Cheers!